So hey awesome ones, today I have 12 great beauty products to show you, and they're going to help you to put your glam on, but also to look a little younger too. So I can't wait to show this video to you. Let's get started. Now in a moment I'm going to take a lot of this makeup off and show you me almost barefaced, but I will have my Bye Bye under eye concealer on, and I'll also have my Eyeshadow foundation. It's a Synchro Glow. It's a beautiful foundation, and of course I'll be linking a lot of the products underneath the description of the video and also in the comments. Now lips like this, it can be really tricky because I really wanted to show you a red today. It's such a glam look, but we have to be really careful because what we need to do is kind of prime the outside of our lips so that this red doesn't bleed upwards. So let's start the tutorial and let me show you what I mean. Here I have a transparent lip pencil. It's from Rimmel, and what I want to do is outline the lip slightly higher than the outline of my natural lips. This forms a barrier from having the lipstick bleed into the upper lip wrinkles. Next, for a glam look, I have a new lipstick crayon rather, and it's from Maybelline, and it's color number 50, and it's called Own Your Own Empire. Well, it's kind of a weird name, but let's take a look. This lipstick can be used as a lipstick and also a lip liner. Now, starting at the corners, work your way around. This is one of the Superstay products from Maybelline, and it's really long lasting as well. And another great feature, it has a sharpener built in right here at the bottom. Now, a matte lipstick like this, it can look kind of harsh and also, kind of dull. It doesn't have a shine to it. So I have a new product. It's from Maybelline, and it's a lifter gloss. And this color is number 20, and it's called Sun. So let's take a look at how I apply it. Now, what you want to do with this lip gloss is just put a little bit in the middle and then kind of blend it out with your fingers. A more youthful looking lip in seconds. Next, let's start on our eyes, and we're starting with the eyeliner. Now, if you are aging like I am, you're starting to see maybe a little bit more of a hooded eye, a little bit of a downturn eye. And these two liners, they come in a pack of 2 from Pure. There's actually a right side and a left side. And let's take a look at how I apply it, and you'll see how I use them. Now, for the sake of time, I'll just do one eye. And what I do is I just carefully make a very thin line for the liner. And these different liners are also for right or left. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. Now, if you have a really downturned eye, what you want is just sort of pull the eye up, and then at the other end of this eyeliner is a stamp. It's built in, and watch this. I'll just sort of make a little kind of wing right here. Isn't that genius? And don't forget that I'm going to have links for these new products underneath the description of the video and also in the comments. And if you're looking for more of the makeup products that I use, all you have to do is go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, scroll down the page to the makeup section. And you know what? I'm really excited to tell you this. We have just pinned right to the top of the sections a new feature for you, and it's called Daily Deals. And what we have there are 40 daily deals on items that I love. So don't forget to check that out, and it's specially made just for you. Next, let's put on some eyeshadow, and I absolutely love this palette. It's by Urban Decay, and it's called Naked 3 Mini. Anyway, look at all the great colors in here. It's just a fabulous palette. It's wonderful for glam days, so let me just show you how I apply the eyeshadow. First, I want to put a little bit of this beige one on my lid and under my brow bone, being really careful not to cover up my eyeliner. Next, with a brush like this, I'm applying a soft mauve around the crease of my eye and a little bit outwards as well, since I do have the downturned eyes. Now I'm going to use a deeper mauve into the depths of my crease. This will give me a much more youthful look. Now, next I gotta blend, 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 and I'm using a brush like this, and I want to blend upwards a little bit and also outwards, so that because I do have the hooded downturned eyes. All right, now I don't use an eyeliner underneath my eyes because that would really look harsh. So what I'm using is just the darker shadow here, using a brush like this, and I just put a little bit of darker shadow on. Now, I just recently found this eyelid sparkle. It's by e.l.f. and a little dab will do you. Let's see what I mean. So as I said, just a little sparkle here to make our eyes look bigger and more youthful. And now for a mascara primer, and this one, whoops, this one is Voluminous Lash Paradise, and it's from L'Oreal. And you know, a lot of us are kind of losing our eyelashes, so this will really help. It actually goes on pink as a base, and I only put it on the top lashes, not the bottom. I'm going to let this dry before applying the mascara. Next, let's put on the matching mascara. So this is going hand in hand with the primer. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a layer, like this is supposed to be dry by now, which it is. And I'm just going to put a layer over top. Now I usually put on 3 coats of mascara and only 1 coat on my bottom lashes. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to show you how I'm putting on the mascara, and I'm going to do the other 2 coats on the upper lashes off camera. So next, I need some color. So I definitely need some color on my cheeks. So I need some blush, and this one from NARS is called Orgasm. Okay. I just want to put a little on my cheeks, and then the leftover on my forehead, underneath my nose, and on my chin. And then even a little under my eyes over the concealer to give me a well-rounded glow. Now it's time for contouring, and this can really help you to look younger. What you're going to see in the next steps is how I sort of contour my cheekbones, also along my jowls, and also narrow my nose. Really, our nose does look wider as we age. And I'm using this product here called Park Avenue Princess, and it's by Tarte. It's just the perfect color. Let's do the cheekbone area first, and then the jowls. This is a great way to camouflage them, and for the nose, I use a brush like this to narrow its look. Now I'm almost done, and if you like videos like this, there's a button down there, just around there, where you can subscribe. I would love for you to follow me. And also don't forget that every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I am live at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, and that's where I'm going to be showing you lots of makeup products, fashion, also skincare, and even a bunch of housewares. And we just kind of hang around like girlfriends, and we chat about the items that I'm looking at, and you know what? It's a lot of fun. And next, let's tackle those brows. And if you have lost a lot of brows, or maybe you overplucked them a long time ago, this kit from Anesthetica is going to make your day. I just brush up my brows with the included spoolie, and then I carefully put the stencil on. I like to use the stencil that's called Classic. All right, so when I think that that's straight and in the right place, I fill it in with the provided shadow, you know, the color that really suits me. You have a brow again. Isn't that great? I also like to use the Maybelline Clear Mascara, and then I just sort of brush it on to keep the brow hairs in place. Now, many of you mentioned that I have a youthful glow, but you know what? I wouldn't have it if I didn't use this product by e.l.f. And what is it called again? It's called Moonlight Pearls, and it's a great highlighter. Let me show you how I put it on. Using a brush like this, I go onto the apples of my cheekbones and sort of blend it in a little bit. And then whatever's left over, I go a little above on my forehead. And check it out, an instant youthful glow. So now let's take a look at the before and after photos side by side. You can really see a difference in the two photos. I do have bigger, more upturned eyes now, and that lipstick, isn't it dynamite? I also love the contouring, and I shine in all the right places. Now I gotta tell you, I am glad for every year that I'm on this planet. I'm not wishing that I was younger. I just don't want to have the needles, you know, the Botox and the surgery, but I still want to look younger with the magic of makeup. And hey, you know what? If you want to do the surgery, I say go ahead. You be you. Now I know, for me it's getting harder for me to hide the wrinkles, the age spots, all the things on the aging journey, but that's why I'm here. I'm always trying new products, and a lot of times I look in the mirror and I go, wow, that, that really worked. And that's my wish for you, that you can look in the mirror and you can say, you know what? Today I look awesome, and that just makes me so happy to think of you doing that. So anyway, until we meet again next week, don't forget to keep it awesome.